To be able to purchase online, you will need to log in. You can use our search function to find a product using search terms or part numbers. Click on the product you would like to purchase. Select your ideal product options and specifications, then add this into your basket. You can also choose from relevant products you may be interested in. For any product 3D CAD drawings, use the CAD button in the top navigation bar. Search for the product you wish to find. You can view each variation of a product as a 3D drawing. You can download these drawings in a CAD or PDF formats. To find product datasheets, find the product you would like to view, and click on the Downloads button. This will open the selected datasheet with all the information you will need.